You done these before? All right, let me show you. Whew. So, regular bent over rows used to be like parallel to the floor like this. Well, I'm coming up, up, here. The bar is about here, okay? But we don't want to bring it up here, out here, all right? Boom, into the waist. So, okay, set it up, man, set it up. Position. A little bit lower, a little bit lower. There we go. 2. Don't track your legs, away from the legs. Yes, better. Bend over a bit more. There, keep it there, don't stand up more. Stretch, pull. Head up, watch in the mirror, that's it. Pull. 1, good. 2, 3, perfect. Once you get this position, the legs are a bit bent, you're here, you're looking up, which keeps the arch on the back, yeah? Don't move, yeah? Don't start like coming up.